I'll show you guys how to present your job. Something that looks cool, you understand? Something like this that looks okay. That when you present it to the client, you'll be like, wow, this is okay, you understand? So mockup actually makes your job look unique because you don't just finish a job and you convert it to JPEG and just send to a client. You have to use mockup. I want to give you guys the mockup. I want to upload it to my drive, send you guys the link in the comment section, in the description section. Check the first link you will see that is written download image here. Just click on that link. It will take you to my drive free of charge. I'm not charging you guys. I like free things, guys. So let's jump straight to the video. All right, so guys, so we've done this page, we've done page 1 to 12. This is actually an 80-page job. I can't do 80 page now. You guys should forgive me. I can't do 80 page, all right? So let's just stop here. But on the long run, I'll be bringing it for you guys bit by bit. You understand? So we can be learning. We're all learning here, guys. So right now, guys, what we're going to do is basically to get your mockup. This is where the mockup is, the almighty mockup everybody have been waiting for. This is it. This is where it is, guys. So right now, what I'm going to do is you're going to just basically, if you open this mockup, there's no password, nothing, just open it. If you open this mockup, these are all the mockups. So for you to use this mockup, you need Photoshop. For those of you who are fighting about software, which one is better, which one is not better, me, I don't fight over software. I make use of them to, just improve myself, work on, like I told you guys, the end result. Customer won't stay here and be asking you which software do you use, this one now. They won't ask you. You understand? Use the software for your own good and stop fighting over softwares. Which one is better, which one is not better. Yes, you use CorelDraw, it gives you a result. Use Photoshop, it gives you a result. Use all the Adobe packages, it gives you a result. Photo Paint, all of them. Canva. Shall use. Alright? Just give a good result. Alright, guys. So right now, guys, this is the mockup. First of all, if you come to your CorelDraw, alright, you will highlight this, alright, and go to export, come over to your file, select export, alright. So right now I'm going to go to this folder where is written mockup, then convert it to JPEG where you say save as type, select JPEG, come to this place, just type letter J, you will see JPEG, don't select JP2. JPEG 2000 bitmap. No, JPEG bitmap. That's what you're going to select. So select, and let's say cover 1. I want to just do few of this, and it's the same process. Few of this is what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to show you guys. So when you're exporting, make sure you're on RGB. Once you're done, all right, then you can click on OK. Then export the back page, go to file, select export. Yeah, I know somebody is actually happy because he wants to learn how to use mockup without subscribing to my channel after eating a bar and a wedu. If you're from the outside country, if you don't know where a wedu is, please come to Nigeria. Thank you very much. So right now, you can see this. I actually don't eat the wedu. So, convert it to RGB and this. Click on OK, and that is it, guys. So right now, we'll go to page 2 and export the same process, guys. So right now in this mockup, we have the cover page. So just open this. You can open all of them to just see which one that suits you. So you see, if I open this one now, it will take me direct to Photoshop, not CorelDraw. So that's what I'm saying. You see? This is the mockup. So right now, this is Photoshop. So for those of you who are not Photoshop users, go and get one, or you DM me on Instagram. I'll give you one. So right now, you can see by the right over here. Just check down there. Do your eye like this. Just do like this. You will see it. Don't stop looking at me. Look at your screen. So just do like this. You see it. So you see front cover, back cover. So go to the front cover. Double click on this thumbnail. There's this thumbnail there. This small chicken something. It looks very tiny, like, you know, like something anyhow, you know. Right now, you see background. Just come over. This is the mockup that is inside that one. So come over to this. You know, click on this eye that you're seeing here. This eye. There's one eye there. It's not clicking, so double click on this background. It will give you this layer. Then click on OK. Then you will just click on the eye. The eye will take this thing out. You just blink your eye like this. So as you blink your eye like this, you take the thing out. So you bring your own. You get the point now. So right now, we'll come over to this. Come over to the folder. Copy or click and drag. Click and drag. Just click and drag. Click and drag it to the Photoshop and wait for it to load. So while it's loading, guys, do me a favor and be subscribing. I don't want to ask you again, because if I ask you, I'm gonna yeah, I'm singing because I'm waiting for this to load. So it has loaded. So what you're going to do is you're going to just drag this up. In case you did not see the option to drag up, just use Ctrl+T. You understand? To transform. T means transform in Photoshop. It's about it's a notebook. All right. So right now, just drag it and click on this good like this. There's one good like this on top. You understand? Subscribe. So right now, once you do it, then you close this one. Just this X. There's one, this thing that looks like this up there. It will ask you save change to Adobe Photoshop document front cover before closing. Say yes. Is every time you say no. Say yes. Sometimes agree. And you click on this, it will give you another one. Click on OK. And it will give you the magic. Look at it. You see? It's there. Then come over to the back cover. Do the same. Double click on this and remove the eye. Then come over to this and copy the back or drag the back in here. Bring it over here and scale it down this way. And once you do that, you click on this and basically close it. Click on yes, OK, and boom. So that is it, guys. So you can see there's a spine. Is this spinal cord or spine? Yes, spine. Something. There's one. Okay, if you have a book, all right, that you see at the middle, when you close it at the middle, there's the right up written like this. It's called spine. All right. So right now, you basically double click on this and click on this. Then you can, if you have a spine, you can basically put it there. But since I'm not using, I just want it plain. Since there's no spine, just click it and drag it here, and you can use the front cover as your spine for the presentation. No, but if I'm printing and I'm not putting spine because I'm using perfect binding for it, so that's why. But sometimes I put spine. I'll just write the name, maybe in memory of, then the man's name, age, put it there. You understand? Makes sense. So click and close and OK. Same process, guys. You can see. So now if you want to save this, guys, you can look at it. Look at it, guys. So if you want to save this, you come over to File, go to Export as. All right. If you export it as, you come over to this. All right. Then click on Export, or you can save it as type. If you don't have this version of Photoshop, you can save it as type. Then you come over to this and basically locate the folder. See, guys, you guys now don't hide anything from you guys. I even show you guys my screen and everything. So you see, then you can see, you can put this one as 1 or anything. All right, so we'll do one more and that is it. So you guys can do the rest. So right now, I want to basically close this. Then we'll come over to the this and open the second one. All right, second one. You can see there are different things you can select. You see? So it's also a front cover. Know how to place them, know how to use mockup. Don't just put anything you see. You can see this is an open page. You understand? It's an open page, so you can actually come over to this and export this one. All right. Once you export it, you can just remove this one. All right. Okay, so do this one, export it, replace this one, just the way as JPEG, you understand? So that is it, guys. So export, and once you're done, you come over to this Photoshop. You can see the right one is this one, you know, your right hand side. So when you click on this thumbnail over here, it will bring you to this. Double click on the background, then do this, not this background, guys, there's where is written background, this layer here, double click on it, then you can remove this one, then you come to this folder, you can drag this one, the one that's supposed to the right, you put it to the right, the ones that are supposed to be in the left, you put it in the left. So close this one. Okay, you see it there. Double click on this one too. Double click on the background, close, remove this, and bring this one and place it just right here. Drag this one here, check it and close. Yes, okay. Boom, guys, you're done. So this is how I present it. All right. So once you're done, guys, there's something I want to show you guys. There's something I want to show you guys. Should I show you guys? Let me show you guys. As I say, watch to the very end. All right. So right now, I have this. Let me come over to my folder. I have this. So I have this cover page, which I always use to present my job. You can see I have Jim Junior here, graphic designer, my icons, my phone number, my email. You see, reserve, my picture is here just to build trust. You know, some of them always don't, you've not seen them before, so you have to build trust, so you put your picture there. So once you're done with this, you open your presentation. This thing, you can see this is the back page. So you come over to this and add a page. So once you add the page, you can basically bring in your rectangle tool, draw this way. All right. So once you do that, you can just put this way. Then come over to this. Once you come over to this, bring in your cover page that you've put, power clip it in here. All right, then place it just right here, drag it over here. All right, just drag it, and once you drag it, you click on finish. So once you click on finish, you can see you come over to page 2, copy this one, come over to page 2, paste it here. Come over to page 2. Okay, we have not saved this. We have not saved this, so you can save this one. All right, you can save this. So once you do that, you can now drag this one in here to your CorelDraw and delete this one. Then you can drag this up here, drag this here. All right, click on finish. So guys, I'm just showing you guys a few examples. I don't want this video to be so long. So what you're going to do now is, you see, you can put all the pages. That's how you would do them. Not everything, guys. You can just do few pages as mockup. Once you're done with that, then you will just export it this way. Get your header, guys. Design your own. I don't want to see this template anywhere. This one I'm using. You will pay. Okay. So right now, guys, you will basically have your cover page, have your page, you know, front cover, add another page. All those pages, once you put them, you understand, then you have your back page. Like if somebody is reading it, he will, you know, follow up. Then once you're done putting it, guys, you export it as what? As PDF. Go to file, select export as what? PDF. Once you export it as PDF, you can see it here. Let me right click and see. I want to open it so you can see and understand, guys. So once you export it as PDF, wait for it, guys. You have to wait. So while it's waiting, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Somebody's actually calling my line. That's why I was disrupting. You understand? I told you guys, somebody's calling my line. So let's wait for this. But before it's done, guys, like I said, you guys should be, you know, just, it's basically how to present it. Present your job like a professional. Don't just, okay, that's open. Don't just, you know, carry your job and just be, you know, personally the way you want for the client to just see and review. No. You see? When you open it as PDF, once the client open it, the first thing he will see is, so the first thing he will see on this page is your cover page, which is loading. All right, it has loaded. This is your cover page, as you can see. Then we have page 1, page 2. Then the more you add, the more you present it. So what I do is, once I add all these things, then I'll export the job in a separate file and send to the client too. Then send this one. So the other one I'm sending is the main file. Make sure you watermark if you've not been paid. But if you're paid, send it. Once you send it, that one is for proofreading, is for the client to check the work for typos, any corrections to be made. But for this one is to show them how, once it's printed, how it's going to look. That is the need of this mockup. So you will have your this thing, your details here. You understand? Your details here. Like mine, like I said, I have the cover page of mine, my own cover page. All right. I have my own cover page. Then, and I have header and footer, all those kind of thing. So add it to yours, your number, anything, your social media handle. So you see, simplicity, the soul of branding, all those kind of things, make it, you know, catchy, you know, all those kind of things. So that is basically how I do all these things, guys. So, you know, there's nothing serious, nothing much. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is how to export, or how to do your job, how to export it for printing once you're done. Because I have a question about how do you, you know, the way you're placing your page, is it how it's supposed to be done? Is it how it's supposed to be placed to, once you're done designing? Is it how you're supposed to place it before printing all those guys, like your page layouts? So I want to explain that to you. Guys are making me speak English, I don't know. So guys, if you have any question about this, please drop me a comment in the comment section below. For you to get this mockup, just check the link on the down description below for the mockup, and see you guys in my next video.